Everyone can't win, so there will be some people who might not win, but they have a talent which in the long run will really shine. Okay, so I have to choose somebody who's going to win. Okay, and somewhere I've really liked a few people
of great authors in my life, and whatever I am today is all because of the values I've instilled from my parents and the books which I have read. Talking about one of the chapters I was reading and one of the best biopics I've read so far. There was a person who came all the way from Allahabad, tried in radio, tried in other fields as well, had a husky voice, and was really very harsh on radio. He was underqualified to be a radio jockey. Later on, he tried for movies, did not get that success. There was a time when he was about to board the train, and there was someone who came from behind and offered him a movie, and today we know him with the name of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So definitely, to your question, my answer would be, I would definitely strive hard to get an opportunity which is biased for me, okay, and which is definitely in my very capable hands. Definitely many things won't be in my favor, but with all the values instilled from my parents and with all the books I've read so far and with all the realistic, experiences I've procured from life, I think I will definitely go for a biased opportunity rather than going for this.
Thank you. Thank you for your answer. And this is what I expected of you. According to me, it does not matter how high you go with other people's help. Wherever you might reach, it could be nothing. But if you've done it on your own will, with your own respect, that's the only thing that matters.
That's it, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next person.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, Parimal.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you doing?
Sir, I'm good.
Okay, so the question for you is, basically nowadays people think that censor board in our country is very stringent. Okay, like for a lot of movies they feel, okay, censor board, which ideally abroad is allowed, is not allowed here in India. What do you think, what are your views on that?
So, talking about the censor board, see, if you're not open-minded about something, अभी एक कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जैसे मूवीज़ में there are some scenes which are awkward, वो देखने के लिए awkward है लेकिन जो है वो है, ऐसा होता है, तो उसको दिखाने में लोगों को शर्म नहीं, लेकिन सेंसर बोर्ड एक मतलब लोगों और मूवीज़ के बीच में आता है. तो व्हाट आई थिंक इज कि जो मीन्स लाइक इन अमेरिका जैसे होता है, अभी उनके कुछ मूवीज़ है अमेरिकन पाई एंड ऑल दैट, आप वो मूवीज़ देखोगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि एक सब कोई वीडियो ही चली जैसे पॉर्न वीडियो ही चली, बट पीपल आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ सीइंग दैट, मीन्स वो दे आर वेरी ओपन माइंडेड. बट आई थिंक कि वी शुड द सेंसर बोर्ड शुड अलाउ सम मूवीज, मतलब लोगों को समझे कि क्या चल रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट आई थिंक.
So according to you, Hate Story 3 does good?
सी सर, हेट स्टोरी 3 अगर मतलब पिक्चर में ऐसा बेस ही नहीं रहेगा, कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टोरी नहीं रहेगी तो वो अच्छा नहीं होगा. तो फिर आप उसमें कुछ भी सीन्स डालो तो वो पिक्चर हिट ही नहीं जाने वाली है. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि आप बेस स्टोरी का बेस भी स्ट्रॉन्ग रखो, उसमें अगर सीन्स है जो
Okay. Some other time, I guess.
Hi! Yes! When I came here, there were like 20 people. I was very disappointed. But now, thank you for being here. Thank you. I'm sure you all are not here for me, but thank you anyway. Okay, I really had a great time here. I've been to this college many, on this campus, there are many colleges. Okay. So I've been on this campus many times. My debut film, MP3, yeah, that song, Mera Pehla Pehla Pyar, was shot on this campus, where I'm on this cycle and the girl is in the bus. So I have memories here. Recently I shot for the Big F. I don't know, anyone seen my episode, Big F? Yeah, it was shot here in this campus. I was roaming shirtless throughout the day. That should have been there, it was good. Okay, anyway, let's come back to these guys.
Do you want to see Ruslan shirtless right now?
No, not today, not today. I tell you, you can watch me shirtless anytime. You just have to go or Google me, only shirtless pictures. But this guy here, you can watch him shirtless only here. Okay, no clothes coming off today because let's concentrate on these guys. They've done a good job. And we're going to give out some awards. What's happening now? Why am I here? Why am I here? Am I doing something here? No, later. Okay, come on. We have a host and she's going to make a speech. Come on.
Okay, so let's announce the winners of Mr. Handsome and Miss Beautiful.
You already have to announce the winners now?
Okay, yeah, before that, I would like Sharvari to say some words regarding VLCC. Okay, so I want to thank our gift partners, VLCC, and I'd also like to thank our merchandising partners.
Okay, so have all of you seen the song Rum Whiskey? Yeah. All of you? Guys, come on. Let me hear this. Guys, I can't hear you. Come on. Make some noise. Come on, guys. I can't hear you. I still can't hear you. Sardar Patel, please make some more noise. Okay, so now, DJ, first of all, I have to ask you, do you have this song? This song has been really old. Do you have this song? Rum Whiskey. Alright, so I want all of you sitting out here to stand up and do the signature step of Rum Whiskey with me. Okay? That song, Rum Whiskey, the signature is for the audience. It's not for dancers.
It's for dancing from your heart, and that's all I want to see in the audience. Come on, guys, can I see all you guys stand up, please? Please do this much exercise for me. Trust me, it was a pleasure and honor to be here. When I was in college, we did not get this kind of opportunity. We did, but today when I see colleges giving you this opportunity, when this stage is given to you, trust me, it means a lot. Please respect this. I'm really glad that you are really practicing so hard and taking this opportunity seriously and dancing your heart out, performing from your heart, and it really means a lot. Thank you so much. Now, are you ready for the winners? Who do you think the winners are? Okay, what? You know what? I'm going to take the name. Listen. I'm going to take the name of the contestants. Let's see on whose name you make the most noise. Okay, let's see if whatever noise you're making is actually correct for them or not. Okay? Contestant number 1. Contestant number 5. Contestant number 8. Contestant number 4. Contestant number, my favorite, 7.
Even I have a favorite यार, ये क्या बात हुई है? Anyone knows my favorite here? Yeah? Contestant number 2.
And here we contestant number 3. Contestant number 6. Okay guys, so I think it's time to announce the winners. And
Arjun! Akshay and Arjun, both are winners.
okay, so the runner-ups are contestant number 6.
So, you know, I have never seen him, I've never met him. And none of us, maybe most of us haven't seen him or met him. But even though this stage is special, I think this guy is made for bigger stages. What say, yeah? Okay, so best of luck to all of you guys here. Thank you. Thank you so much for this fun time, and thank you for so much entertainment.
Thank you, Arjun.
Oh yeah, okay, you want to say something? Okay, so let's give the mic to it, yeah.
Firstly, thank you so much everyone for supporting me and making me win. It's very humbling, it's very heartwarming, and it's very touching. You know, this award is really special for me because today is my mom and dad's 22nd anniversary. And I really wanted to give this to my mom and dad, and today I think I've made my parents proud. Thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Okay guys, just very very small thing. I've got a special thing for them, really close to my heart. Basically, I've got 2 certificates for the best performers that I found today. And these certificates, whomever I'm going to hand over to, is eligible for worth 20,000 rupees scholarship in dancing as per the schedule. So one of that is my favorite, whom I found in dancing today. That's Akshay. This guy really has a lot of potential. Okay, and I announced this in the morning, but I would like to announce it again. Intermall is coming up with a show called So You Think Can Dance India. Okay, whoever feels have some kind of talent, please contact us. We'll be sending you for the auditions immediately. Whoever feels can participate for the show, please get back to us ASAP. Okay, and the second one is, by default guys, the winner, Arjun. Thank you so much for having us here. It was a pleasure guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, now the winners will also get some exciting merchandises from Honey Badge.
यार कितना जीतोगे यार, बस करो यार, हम लोग को इतना कभी नहीं मिला यार. हाँ थोड़ा इन लोग को भी दे दो, इतना चीयर कर रहे हैं कब से यार.
कैमरा
क्या क्या यादें ताज़ा हुई आपकी, और जब आप इस इवेंट में आए कितने एक्साइटेड थे, या फिर आपने पहले अपने स्पीच में बताया कि बहुत कम लोग थे, लेकिन जैसे जैसे लोग जुड़ते गए आपको और ज़्यादा मज़ा? और
तो जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था कॉलेज के इवेंट के लिए, तो मैंने सोचा था कि 1 घंटे में मैं निकल जाऊँगा, मुझे इतना मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे, मन ही नहीं कर रहा है वापस घर जाने का। आज सैटरडे है तो मैंने बहुत सारे प्लान्स बनाए थे पर वो सारे कैंसिल कर दिए। आई एम रियली लविंग माई लविंग द एटमॉस्फेयर और होपफुली जब मौका मिलेगा वापस कोई कॉलेज इवेंट जज करने का तो आई बी बैक।
अगर ये सब चीज़ें आपके टाइम पे हुआ करती तो आप क्या क्या कर पाते? अच्छे डांसर होते, अच्छे और बेहतरीन एक्टर।
ये जो आज जो मैंने टैलेंट देखा है स्टेज पे वो काफ़ी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के एक्टर्स, मैं खुद इतना टैलेंटेड नहीं हूँ तो मैं उन्हें जज करने के लिए मुझे बिठाया गया था, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई एम केपेबल। दे वर रियली गुड एंड आई विश देम लक। आज हमारी मीडिया, हमारी इंडस्ट्री इतनी खुल गई है, इतनी बढ़ गई है कि जितने भी कंटेस्टेंट्स थे कभी ना कभी लाइफ में मुझे वापस मिलेंगे, शायद वो बेटर पोजीशन में होंगे, तो आई विश देम ऑल द लक।
दूसरा मैं मानसून हो कि आपके टाइम पे क्या क्या होता है? 26 जनवरी और 15 अगस्त के अलावा और क्या मनाया जाता था?
हमारे कॉलेज में जब कॉलेज होता था तो हम एक्चुअली बंक करते थे और उसे ही हम एंटरटेनमेंट समझते थे, उसे ही मस्ती समझते थे। मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ घर पे चला जाता था, हम लोग कार्ड्स खेलते थे, सिगरेट पीते थे, तो हमें लगता था कि यार वी एंजॉयड आवर कॉलेज डेज, बट एक्चुअली दिस इज एंजॉयिंग कॉलेज।
सर जानना चाहेंगे आपसे कि जो कोरियोग्राफी इनके जो स्टूडेंट्स की थी वो कितनी बेहतर थी या फिर कितनी और बेहतर हो सकती है इस बारे में?
मुझे यहाँ के बहुत मज़ा आया बिकॉज यहाँ पे हो रहा था पर्सनालिटी कॉन्टेस्ट और पर्सनालिटी कॉन्टेस्ट में टैलेंट राउंड था और टैलेंट राउंड में बहुत सारे डांसेस हुए। वो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था बट वो अनएक्सपेक्टेड को एक्सपेक्टेड करके दिखाया इस कॉलेज में। मुझे इसमें बहुत मज़ा आया बिकॉज बहुत ही अच्छा टैलेंट देखने को मिला हमें। कुछ लोगों की पर्सनालिटी बहुत अच्छी थी और साथ ही साथ में टैलेंट में कुछ लोगों के डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत अच्छे थे, तो इट वॉज अ कंप्लीट पैकेज।
थैंक यू सो मच।